get a fucking wagon diff. And if you know someone,
What is that for?
after party, right here.
After the dyno party?
Oh yeah, this is it.
Throw that on and go do some launches. Yeah. Let's go to the screen. PSI. Baking hot. $91 degrees.
Wow, this is ready to be sent out, kid. Fast free shipping.
Alright, so the Civic's done. We're pretty much out of fuel. Injector duty is about 85%, so we're gonna stop here for now. Need to rewire the fuel pump, but she did 675, 417 torque, and it's freaking hot in here. It is not a cold day. Look at that temperature. So it is 91 degrees. The graph looks good. It wants to be revved all the way up to 95 or so because the turbo's pretty big, but it has eagle rods, so we're playing it safe for now. We can send it a little bit at the track. A JR Auto. This thing has a fuel cell and it is all-wheel drive. You can see all the all-wheel drive drivetrain components are all on. We're gonna throw the drive shaft on and go do some test passes. I tuned this car a while back, front wheel drive at 575 with a much smaller turbo. This turbo is only at 27 PSI right now, which is barely awakening up. This thing can run 40 pounds of boost and make another 200 horsepower or so. Easy. All right, perfect, hit it. You gotta shift it way.